We've had the highest rate of exodus last year and the year before that.
Do you have anything to add to it? I mean, I call it a human resource. Dr. Amma is saying it's drain. So what's the difference? I mean, you can take it either way, half empty, half full.
I will go bang in the middle, by the way. I don't believe, like, so for example, I was born here and then went out. You can say, okay, yeah, this guy moved to a different country to have a better future. Yes, I had a better future in the UK. I started my businesses there, but then now it's the time to come back to the country and, return, to give back. So it's always good when people go abroad, and I don't see it as a bad thing, because even these remittances coming from abroad, yeah, they play a big role in economy. But I agree with Dr. Saiba when she says that if we start to rely on it completely, then we're not winning. So both things, I think remittances and people going abroad, and I don't even mind people moving businesses from here to other countries, because end of the day, Pakistanis, they send all their money to Pakistan.
So you're saying that we should not rely upon it, but take it as a bonus?
Yes.
That's
absolutely.
it.
Yes.
All right. Thank you very much, Shakeel Saab, for your time. Thank you very much, Dr. Aima Mehdi, for your time as well. Ahmed Chonai Saab and Shafiq Sawati Saab, thank you very much, and thank you very much, viewers.